The haunted house. Find alphabet. English dictionary. Part 3. Farm animals. When you hear this sound, turn the page. Cat. Cat. My cat likes milk. My cat likes milk. Dog. Dog. I like dogs. I like dogs. Cow. Cow. Cows eat grass. Cows eat grass. Pig. Pig. A pig has short legs. A pig has short legs. Chicken. Chicken. A chicken is a farm bird. A chicken is a farm bird. Duck. Duck. A duck can swim. A duck can swim. Mouse. Mouse. A mouse has a long tail. A mouse has a long tail. Rabbit. Rabbit. A rabbit has long ears. A rabbit has long ears. Horse. Horse. We can ride a horse. We can ride a horse. Sheep. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep.